Here I have SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to add fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's tap apps icon, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down and find and select the lock screen and security. Choose here Fingerprint Manager. Let's read the following instructions, tap next. So before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So let's draw your unlock pattern, tap next. And let's draw it again just for confirmation. Alright, tap confirm. And let's choose the form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide sensitive one, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content, tap done. So let's tap next one more time. And now let's start touching your sensor. The sensor is located at the back of the device right here. This is the sensor, so you need to start tapping the sensor a couple of times. Let's just move your finger slightly. And that's it, fingerprint added. So now all you need to do is just tap done. So let me do it. Let me tap done right here. And now you can just press power key to lock your device. Here you can use your pattern to unlock your phone, or you may do the same thing with fingerprint. Let me do it. Just find the sensor at the back. Alright. And that's it. Now you can unlock the device by using your sensor and by using your fingerprint. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.